So welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show the user interface of Sketchup. Okay. So after installing the software, you are going to get the icon here, and when you are opening the Sketchup software, we are going to get this welcome window here. We can see welcome to Sketchup, and you can click on choose template, and you can choose the required template. And here we are going to have the license details, etc. Okay. So right now we need to choose the template. Either you can go at this bottom option like template, or simply click on this choose template option. Okay. So here we are going to have the different templates with different settings. I mean like background settings or unit settings. Okay. So if you want to create any architectural related, then you can go for architectural design in feet and inches. Or if you want to create in mm, so you can just choose this one. Or if you want to just go for a simple template, you can choose this one. If you are going for any construction related model, then you can go for construction related templates at the bottom. Okay. So it totally depends on you, like whatever model you want to create, according to that you can choose this one. Okay. So whether it is a landscaping or just it's a normal simple model, or it's related to a construction, etc. So then we can choose the required template there. Okay. So for present, I'm going to select the simple template, and the unit type is feet and inches here. Okay. So just select that and click on start using Sketchup here. And the software will begin to open here. So we got this screen, this user interface of Sketchup here. So let us see one by one what are the tools we are having, how to set up the toolbars, etc. So when we are selecting the simple template, so we are going to get the three axes like red, green and blue axis, which are indicating like length, width and height, and we can see a person standing here. It is a component actually. If you don't require that, we can delete it later. And we are going to have the tool set like this. Okay. And maybe you'll be getting this tool set at the top side also. You can arrange it as per your wish. Okay. You can customize it as per your requirement. Okay. So if you want to add some additional tools, or you want to delete some toolbars, so we need to go for menu bar view. Okay. So let us see first one. You are going to get the title bar as, title as unit title. So unless and until we are renaming the file. Okay. So while saving, if you are renaming with any new name, that name will be displayed here. Okay. And coming to the menu bar, we are going to have the file menu, edit, view, camera, draw, tools, windows, extensions and help. So if you want to get more tools on the screen, so simply we can click on view, just go for toolbars, and whatever toolbar you want to see on the screen, or we want to get on the screen, you can just select from the list here. Okay. So right now we are having the large tool set, okay, which is displayed at the left side of the screen. Okay. So apart from that, all the other options are off. Okay. So if you want to see the camera options, click on camera and you can see the camera related options. Okay. So if you want to see the view related, if you want to switch the view, etc. So simply we can go for view option, and we will be getting the view related tools like this. Okay. So you can select from here and then close after selecting the required tool sets. And so you can click on this view title and just drag it wherever you want to place that panel. Okay. So just you can customize accordingly wherever you need. You can just drag and place them. Okay. So if you want to create 2 rows, you can create in 2 rows, or if you want to place in 1 row, you can place in 1 row like this. Okay. So here we are going to have this tools at left side. So we are going to have the selection tool, measuring tool, erasing and draw tools, modifications, measuring and view related tools, etc. And at right side we are going to have the default tray, and inside that we are going to have the entity info, material related info, okay, and components, styles, layers, shadows, screen, inspector, etc. Okay. So whatever you want to work on, simply you can expand on that. If you want to work on materials, simply expand and you can choose and edit the materials here. Okay. And similar way, while drawing anything on the screen, for example, I just want to draw a line here. And if you want to give the measurements for this, how can we define the measurements? So just have a look at right side, right bottom. You can see some measurements here, like 17 feet 3, 1 by 2, okay. So if I want to draw a line of 10 feet, so simply define the value, just type the exact value you need there, okay. So according to the template or according to the unit setup given there, okay. So since this template is in feet and inches, I've taken 10 feet there, and just after giving the value, click on enter, and you are going to get the line like this, okay. So whatever tool you are going to choose there, if you want to get some command prompts like how to use the tool, etc., you can observe the prompts at left side of the screen, okay. So say for example, I'm just going to select the rectangle. It is defining, it is saying to select the first corner, wherever you want to give the first corner and opposite corner, okay. Or else you can give the length and width value. So for example, I want to give 20 feet comma 30 feet. I can give 20 feet comma 30 feet in the measurement bar, like here at bottom right we are going to get the dimensions, okay. So just define the values 20 feet comma 10 feet and enter. We are going to get the rectangle of the given dimensions like this, okay. So this is all about the user interface. In next video we will be seeing how to apply the draw tools, like how can we use the draw tools to create a required model. So this is all for this video.